TV, Brittany, me, the kitty cats, the music, the lamp, the clock, Hannah Montana, Miley Cyrus, the couch, my feet, Brittany's feet, the Orbeez, her face, her. Anyways, we're gonna be singing and burping for you again.
No, it ruined it.
Boom! Oh, she's ugly.
She's gay.
Oh. I didn't know she was gay. I never even heard of her before. Serious. Oh yeah, do it. Oh yeah. No, dance. I'm shaking.
Oh yeah, I have glasses. I don't know if you guys realize that. I can't really see without them.
Now you guys just both ABC this time. And don't stop at all. Not even zoom down, just do it.
I feel less slimy.
No, it's just slimy. Look at this. It's slimy. She made this.
These blocks are crystals. If I put them in water, they like crystallize.
And then these are like Orbeez.
They are Orbeez.
And they're bouncy.
And they're apparently edible.
Yeah, they are. Wait, yeah. There's outside. Well, that's basically sort of a Porsche, but whatever.
You already know. Just imagine, just imagine, just imagine. Nothing is a secret. You dance, 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 dance. I grabbed 2 blues without even realizing. Nice underwear.
Burp every. Okay, try to burp one of the boys' names. See if there's anyone on there.
Oh boy. Oh.
Say if you're a boy, this is for you, and burp their name, just random names, and see if they respond. If whoever is there.
Okay, if I say one of your guys' names, you guys have to write in the comments if that's you. I will. Okay, so I'm going to rate the names from 1 to 10. I will say 10 names. 1 is the highest, 10 is the lowest. Just let me know which one that I put you at. So 1 is Brandon.
You gotta burp it.
No, I can't burp it, Tatia. 2 is Tyler. 3 is Andrew. Oh, hello, it's a butterfly.
Forget the butterfly.
I'm on 4, right? 4.
You're on Tyler.
No, I was on Andrew. 3 is Andrew. 4 is Chris. 5 is Blake. 7 is Hunter. 8 is Christopher. 9 is Josh, and 10 is Jacob. If I have said your name and you are in the top 10 list, then leave your name in the comment. And yeah, I don't know why my sister wanted me to do this.
Well, I wanted you to burp it out, but that's different.
I don't know that one. I think it's funny how like certain colors got bigger than the others.
Oh, this.
Senorita. Well, it's Senorita by Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello. When you call me Senorita, then I need you. Ooh la la la, ooh la la la. You know, all of those waters aren't yours. I actually put 2 in there for me. So, like, now you have to go out and get more from the garage and put in the fridge. Because turns out I'm actually dehydrated because I don't drink water at all. So. When you call me señorita, well, you can get one of the cold ones. Just put that in the fridge. It's with the cold evening. In September 2017, Selena Gomez revealed on Instagram that she received a kidney transplant from her longtime friend, actress Selena Gomez's music video for The Heart Once Wanted Once was filmed a full year before it was released. And that's just too much.
Pretty. Okay, listen.
Selena is an old soul with a beautiful baby face, says Ali Tamposi, the writer behind Gomez and Kygo Smash It Ain't Me.
Pretty specific.
My name actually goes with Alexander Hamilton's theme song.
Now, I'll post that on Facebook. I'm posting all of them on YouTube. Now, we gotta restart over. I'm gonna type up.
Bye, my loved ones.
And then some of them, you're gonna burp and pretend like I did them.
You do know I just got that on video.